Alright guys, this is what it looks like on the Tusk racing Scissor lift from Tusk. So we have here a 2005 WR450F. So you can lift about 300 pounds. So lifting this W450 is like without a sweat, pretty easy. Looks nice. It's very sturdy. Should I wiggle it? It's not gonna go anywhere. If you're working on a bike, you won't fall on this. I'm gonna take this apart. I'm not planning to restore this. There's also a pedal here at the bottom. You can raise it up if you want. Raise it up, pump it. It'll go up. If you want it lower, you can just push this other one right here. It goes down slowly. That's what we give it. So that's the Scissor lift from Tusk. We have here a 2005 Yamaha WR450F. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.